Hello and welcome to Roblox Studio Basics 2 in the last video, but we're going to be teaching you how to do the basics of stuff. Now, first, all of this stuff over here, you don't need to worry too much about, but basically the workspace is everything you can see in this place. See this thing over here? The workspace, it's in here. Players, basically all the players, lighting. Material service is just materials. Replicate first and replicate storage. Replicate storage can be used for like keeping things inside a storage or something if you don't want the player to see it yet. Service service where you put all the scripts. Service storage, I don't know. This is new. Starter GUI is basically all of the things you can see on the screen that's like 2D. You know, those like labels and frames and text labels and stuff. Start pack, you can basically just put like tools in here and it'll go inside. Start player, all the scripts that are going to go inside the player or something. The teams, you already know probably. Sound service, chat, and I don't know what these two are. There's some new stuff they added I don't know about yet, but yeah. The camera, self-explanatory, just the camera. Now, first, to add in the part, you're going to want to press this part button over here. And see, I have a part now. Now, if I want to change the color of the part, I press this little arrow over here. A little thing might pop up, and then you just press the color you want to pick. So I'm going to pick brown for this session. And then if you pick scale, you can just scale like this, holding this and stuff. Rotate, you can just rotate it any way you want. Move, obviously you can just move. I don't like moving this way. The way I like to do it is do select, and then I select it. Hold down the left key, and then you can move it around like this. That's the way I like to make stuff like that. Then after that, you can scale pretty much everything you want. Now you might be wondering why you can't select this base plate over here. That's what it's called. This part over here. That's because it's locked. To unlock it, you press this lock button, and then you're gonna see this little like lock here. When you press it, you see, look, this thing is unlocked here. It means that you can't select it. If you press the left mouse button, it's unlocked. Press lock again, and then boom, you can select it and just change it any way you want. Now for making games, I'd suggest you use just green. It looks better, but I'm going to keep that locked for now though. Now if you want to change the material of something, you go here, you find the properties. The properties are basically everything that the part has, all of this stuff that you can change with the part. You can select plastic, press it 2 times, and select anything from here. I'm going to select mud for this one. If you want to duplicate this object, you want to make a clone of it, you just press Ctrl D on your keyboard, or you can just press duplicate over here, and it'll just automatically duplicate it inside the object. And then yeah. You have the Toolbox, which is basically just free models. Don't use these though. Don't use them too much. They're fine to use if you don't understand something like shift to sprint run, that's fine. HD admin, that's fine. But don't make it too obvious that you're using them. And yeah, just to make objects over here on this right panel over here, you see here, you press this little plus button over here, and then you can select any object. You can even import a script. And then to publish a game, press Game Settings and Save to Roblox. Oh, and then you save to Roblox and you make your title. You save. When you place the title of the game, it should do this. Although it might do something different for you guys. I don't know. Press Game Settings and then you can pick anything. Monetization, basically all the badges and stuff. Products you can buy. Security, API service, basically data store and leaders and like stats that you can save. Places are basically like different games inside your game, like if you like those story games, they teleport you to a different game. They're actually teleporting you to a different place. Now this is the language. The avatar, you can just change the avatar to anything you want. The world, you can do anything with this. Jump, gravity, slope angles, collaborative editing, then you press save. Save all those stuff. And this stuff over here isn't too important, but to play the game, you just press play over here. And then the game is loaded and you are inside the game. And then you can move and stuff. But let's see, if I put this thing really high up, it's gonna fall. I'll show you. It's gonna fall right now because physics are enabled on it. See, it's not there. You wanna know why? Because it has physics enabled. To turn off the physics, you go anchor, press it, and then when I play, it's gonna stay there in place and don't move. That can be useful for making walls or like roofs or something. Why is it? Like, why can I go? Oh, I know. There's a weird glitch. Anyways, yeah. And then I think that's kind of it. Although there isn't. Oh yeah. To delete stuff, basically just press backspace on your keyboard or press cut. Oh yeah. And to redo and undo stuff, this is redo, this is undo. Or you could just press Ctrl Z to do it to undo, and Ctrl Y to redo. And that's kind of everything. So I will see you. Bye bye.